Welcome students, lecture number 9. Today's topic is commutative law under addition. So in this topic I will discuss what is commutative law under addition. Now, according to definition, this law states that if A and B are two matrices of the same order, then A plus B equals to B plus A. Now what does it mean? This means that, for example, if we have two matrices A and B and the both matrices have the same order, then if we add first matrix to second or second matrix to first, the answer will be same. For example, if you look at in the example, we have a matrix A, the elements are 1 0 0 1, and the matrix B, second matrix, has elements 2 0 0 2. Both are square matrices and both order are 2 cross 2. So here commutative law under addition says that A plus B equals to B plus A. If you want to solve this or prove the commutative law, first of all, taking left hand side, the left hand side is A plus B equals to matrix A plus matrix B. Now we have to add all the corresponding elements. Corresponding elements mean first element with first, second with second, third with third, and fourth with fourth. 1 plus 0, 1 plus 2, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, and 1 plus 2. Then we got what we got. We got A plus B equals to 3 0 0 3. So we will refer this as equation number 1. Now we have to taking right hand side, and the right hand side was B plus A. Now first of all we will write matrix B and then plus sign and then matrix A. We will add corresponding elements in this again, and 2 plus 1 is 3, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, and 2 plus 1 is 3. So if we will look at equation 1 and 2, the elements are 3 0 0 3, and here also the elements are 3 0 0 3. So if we compare both equations, the answers are same. So here we can say that from equation 1 and 2, it's proved that A plus B equals to B plus A. Hope you enjoyed this lecture. In next lecture, lecture number 10, I will discuss associative law. Thanks. Please like my video, share my channel, and subscribe my channel. Thanks.